The brave little star. Hello wonderful friends, it's Tethi from Tethi's Tiny Treasures, your favorite storyteller. Today we have a special tale that is not just full of magic and adventure, but also carries a valuable lessons for all the amazing kids out there. So snuggle up, get comfy, and let's dive into today's little star story. Once upon a time, in the vast twinkling sky, there was a little star named Stella. Stella wasn't like the other stars. She was much smaller and dimmer. Every night, when the other stars glittered brightly, Stella felt out of place. One day, as Stella looked down on earth, she noticed a village where the people were facing a big problem. They were running out of water, and their crops were wilting. The village desperately needed rain. Feeling a tug in her tiny bright heart, Stella decided to do something about it. She gathered all her courage and approached the Star Council, a group of wise and powerful stars. "I may be small, but I want to help the people of the village," Stella declared. The Star Council, at first skeptical, saw the determination in Stella's eyes and granted her a special gift, the ability to create rain. That night, Stella descended from the sky, and with all her might, she started sprinkling tiny drops of rain over the village. The people were overjoyed, and the crops began to flourish. Stella's heart sparkled with happiness. However, as Stella continued to help, the other stars noticed her absence from the sky. They began to tease her, calling her a little raindrop and making her feel small and insignificant. Undeterred, Stella continued her mission, bringing rain and joy to the village. But the more the other stars teased her, the dimmer she became. One night, as the teasing grew louder, Stella's light flickered dangerously. That's when the Star Council intervened. They scolded the other stars for their unkindness and reminded them that every star, no matter the size, had a purpose. The other stars realized their mistake and apologized to Stella. The moral of the story, my fantastic friends, is that it doesn't matter how small or different you may feel. Each one of you has something special to offer. Embrace your uniqueness, be kind to others, and remember, even the tiniest star can make a big difference. And there you have it, the tale of the brave little star. What a journey, right? If you enjoyed this story, give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe and share it with your pals. This is Tethi, signing off from Tethi's Tiny Treasures. Until next time, stay bright, stay kind, and keep spreading your magical light.